Hey beauties, have y'all ever got paid and then poof, your bank account is already crying? If you're in your 30s like me, it is so easy to fall into the trap of retail therapy. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you are new here. And on this channel, I do all things how to live a more beautiful life, how to level up in life, how to improve and, slowly just grow and become the best version of yourself. If that is something that you're interested in, if that is a journey that you are on, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining this community over here. We are a judgment-free zone. We do not judge. We invite you. We welcome you to become the best version of yourself. So definitely subscribe to this channel and let's get into today's video. Today I'm sharing 5 life-changing tips to stop spending on stuff that doesn't matter and actually keep your money. Are y'all ready to save some money? All right, let's go. Okay, so at one point, I was the queen of impulse buying. Taking the tab at the bar, buying the shoes, buying the clothes, spending on the hair, the nails. But one day I looked up and my credit card was maxed out. Where did all of my money go? Does that sound familiar? If so, you're in the right place, girl, because I turned my finances around and I know you can too. All right, stick with me for the next 5 minutes and I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to spot impulse triggers, a simple budgeting hack, my favorite low effort mindset shift, the power of a cool down period, and accountability tricks to stick with it. Now, by the end of this video, you will be on your way to financial freedom. No more broke girl syndrome. All right, now number 1, you want to first become a detective of your own habits. Write down every time you feel the urge to buy. It could be in your phone and your notes. What you saw, how you felt. Was it scrolling on Instagram? A sale alert? Identify the pattern. Identify all the patterns you feel when you have the urge to buy something. All right, number 2, zero-based budgeting. Now, zero-based budgeting means every dollar has a job. Salary comes in, you allocate essentials, savings, fun money. Then, and this is crucial, stick to it. I use a free app that locks me out once I hit the limit. No cheating. All right, now number 3, mindset shift. Value over vanity. Now ask yourself, will this bring me real joy? One and done purchases like a spa day or a cooking class beats a closet full of fast fashion. You want to invest in experiences, not objects. Your future self will thank you, girl. Now, next time you want to splurge, and I've said this before, next time you want to splurge, wait 48 hours. If you still crave that purchase after the cool down, consider it. But oftentimes that urge to buy that thing, it fizzles out and you don't even want it anymore. That's your wallet breathing a sigh of relief. Like you have this urge to buy something. You just think you need it so bad. It happens to me all the time. But if you wait that 48-hour cool out period, and I know sometimes it's hard because maybe it was a sale and the sale is gone. They're claiming it's going to be for a limited time. A lot of these fast fashion stores claim that all the time, but there's always a sale. And if it's something that there's a sale right now, but in 48 hours, they're telling you the sale's going to be gone, just wait. I'm sure they'll have another sale. Or if by then it's not there anymore, then I feel like it's not meant for you to have. It's not that deep. Now, that was number 4, the 48-hour rule that I just talked about. All right. Now, number 5, and I feel like this is so important. And I feel like we all need this in most things in life, not just our finances. But before I get into it, if you are not subscribed already, subscribe to this channel. If you are on a journey to becoming the best version of yourself, you're trying to level up in every aspect of your life, and we're all about good vibes over here. We're all about just improving, living a more beautiful life. So definitely hit the subscribe button if that sounds like the journey that you're on. Now, tip number 5, this is my last thing in this video, is an accountability partner. You need to team up. Share your goals with a friend or somebody that you're close to, somebody that you've talked to, had conversations about finances or whatever, somebody you know is going to hold you accountable. Or it could be an online community. There's a lot of Facebook groups and group me groups and all kinds of groups that even if you don't know those people specifically, a lot of people have aligned goals. And if y'all chat together about similar topics, then y'all can hold each other accountable, and that can be, your accountability partner. Okay, we are going to pause real quick because I want to make sure that you have hit the subscribe button, because if you are watching this video, if you search this topic, or if you clicked on this video, that means that you are trying to better yourself, girl. You are trying to save money. You are on this journey to just level up in life, and you need to join this community. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment. Don't be shy on this YouTube community, this YouTube platform. When you drop a comment or when you click the like or subscribe button, that lets the algorithm know that this is quality content, and it will allow them to share with more people. So if you can just help me out with that, click the subscribe button, leave a little comment. Let's get back into the video. Now, once you find your accountability partner, you want to have weekly check-ins to help keep you honest. Like, I have a friend that we know we have business goals, and we check in, not as often as we should, but we do check in from time to time to see how we're doing, see how we're progressing towards our goals. So once you find your financial accountability partner, check in regularly. Make sure y'all talk to each other and be like, all right, we're going to check in with each other every single week, see how we're doing towards our financial goals, you know. And it should be somebody that's not scared to be on you. Like, girl, no, why did you buy that? Like, or you bought this month, and a month later they're like, oh, you just bought that last month, why are you buying it again? So just find somebody that's going to be real with you, that's going to be honest with you, and that's not going to be afraid to check you. And then once you have this accountability partner, y'all can celebrate y'all wins together. That's going to be such a beautiful thing and such a good feeling. I even started a group chat, the No Spend Squad, and this is like my accountability group to keep us accountable, to make sure we're only spending on the necessities or experiences that we know we're going to benefit from. All the frivolous things, like sometimes there are some things you can treat yourself to, clothes, shoes, bag, whatever it is, but don't make that a habit, because that's when your bank account is going to continue to be depleted, your credit cards are going to be maxed out, and you won't feel like you just working for no reason. That's what I don't want for y'all. I don't want you to feel like you work so hard at your job for your salary, and then as soon as you get it, it's gone. We're not doing that. That's not how we're going to live a beautiful life. That's not how we're going to live a stress-free life, because we're always going to be worried about money. We're always going to be living check to check, and I don't want that for you at all. Now, are you ready to break free, to have a little bit of financial freedom? Drop a $ in the comment section of this video if you are ready to start seeing your money in your bank account, start saving your money, start just having that financial freedom. Drop a $, a green heart, something to let me know that you are ready and you are about to put into action a plan to start seeing your money in your account. Now, I want y'all to tag a friend or share this video with somebody who is going to be a part of your No Spend Squad. Okay, y'all can start your own groups, No Spend Squad, or a little, you can call it No Spend Squad, so that y'all can start getting this money up. Okay, and please be sure to hit the like button on this video so more people who are trying to save money can get access to this video. We can boost it up in the algorithm. Drop a comment, like I said, and share this video with somebody. Now, be sure to check out my channel for more motivational content, more inspirational content. I do have some other videos to inspire you to budget and save money. That is not all I do on this channel, but overall, my goal is to help you live a more beautiful life, a happier life, a less stressful life. And so I'm sure I have some content on this channel to help you with that journey. So check it out, and I will see y'all in my next video.